Yesterday morning when you told me that you have never felt this lonely, I saw the sadness in your eyes. You told me how you feel disguised, confiding in me about the sleepless nights that you cannot seem to keep it. Hurting, buried in your dreams. You're facing darkness twice as deep. You're much sweeter than me by far. You're much stronger than me.
This is the first day of my life. Swear I was born right in the doorway. I went out in the rain, suddenly everything changed. They're spreading blankets on the beach. Yours is the first face that I saw. I think I was blind before I met you. And I don't know where I am, I don't know where I've been, but I know where I want to go. And so I thought I'd let you know. Yeah, these things take forever, I especially am slow. But I realized that I need you, and I wondered if I could come home. Remember the time you drove all night?